DJI Avata 360. Charging hub. Charging batteries. Mount the battery to the charging hub, and then press the battery until you hear a click. Connect the charging hub to a power outlet using a USB-C charger. If the charger output is 65 watts or higher, up to 3 batteries can be charged simultaneously. If the charger output is less than 65 watts, then the charging hub will charge the batteries in sequence based on their battery levels, from the highest to the lowest. During charging, the status LED shows the current status. The batteries can be stored in the charging hub after charging. Power accumulation. The charging hub has a power accumulation feature, which can transfer the remaining power from low-power batteries to the battery with the highest power, enabling quick access to a high-power battery for flight. Insert multiple batteries into the charging hub. Press and hold the function button until the status LED turns green. Then release the button. The LED will pulse green, indicating that power accumulation has started. To stop accumulating power, press and hold the function button again until the status LED turns yellow. After stopping power accumulation, press the function button to check the power level of the batteries. After accumulating power, charge the battery with the lowest power level as soon as possible to avoid over-discharge.